Welcome to the Business Behind the Scene podcast with Francesca Moi, where we talk all about real business problems, real solutions, and getting actual results in your business. Hello, and welcome to episode number 229 of Business Behind the Scene. In this podcast, we love to share with you guys all the insight and the things that I have learned along the journey of entrepreneurship to really help you not make the mistakes that I and many of my clients made in the past. So, as you know, it's Francesca here. Let's have an honest chat today because so many CEOs think that their team is too slow. I think that all the time. When really they might be drowning and we don't even know. Most of the time, they're drowning in tasks that they should have been stopped doing ages ago. So it's not really about a performance issue or, that they're not good enough or that they are slow. It's just capacity. So here's the thing. Your business grew, but maybe you didn't help the team create a structure that could support that business growth. And so the work keeps piling up. Projects probably will start to drag and they're not finishing on time. Everyone looks like they're underperforming, but it's not that they're slow, it's that they're carrying the whole weight of this business that's been grown, and they outgrew that months and months ago. So overload makes good people work bad. So they look bad, they seem like they're not the right team members, but sometimes it's just that the structure that we have in the business, since the business has had a massive growth, probably is not supporting them. So when your team is stretched, everything becomes harder. They jump between tasks, they forget things, they get stuck in admin, and they really burn out quickly and quietly. And we feel like we are the assistant. We're like, hey, what about this? What about this? What about this? What about this? If you're finding yourself doing what about this to your clients, then to your team, then we need to have a talk. Because overload makes even the smartest person in the world look that they are not coping and that they cannot handle it, which is not the truth if we support them with that structure. So sometimes we think that, okay, we just need more clients so then I can make more money so that I can help the team and hire someone else. So the truth is more leads won't fix a capacity problem. A lot of CEO they think that they need just more clients, but if your backend is already full, more clients will actually make it worse. So revenue doesn't need to stall because of your marketing. It stalls because your team, there's no more room. There's no more capacity for them to grow. So this is where our clients love coming to us because they get a Filipino virtual assistant to help them. So this is literally where a good virtual assistant will be able to change everything. They were able to take the task that your team really shouldn't be doing anymore, the email, scheduling, CRM, follow-up, clients updates. And if you really, some people tell me that they don't trust them doing this stuff, it's like, just get them to put emails in the draft and then your team can check it. But still, if your team takes about 20 minutes to write an email, it will probably take about 5 minutes to check an email that is already in the draft and it's already done, right? So I always have that vision of the Formula One, the Ferrari that decided to work on reducing the amount of time that would take to change the wheels of their cars. So from 8 seconds, they got to 4 seconds, and then eventually they got down to 1 second, 1.80 seconds at the moment. So if in our business we do the same, every month, every quarter, we think about what process are we going to streamline to be able to make it faster and more efficient so that the team can handle more, then everything will become amazing, right? So your local team will be able to do the job that they hire from if they have the support and the structure. So by having a virtual assistant next to them to help them, things will move again. They will start breathing space. They will actually gain momentum and be able to keep up with this business that is growing. So I have a question for all of you listening this today. Where is your team generally struggling, and where are they simply overloaded? If you want help spotting the real pressure points, then we would love to chat with you to see if a virtual assistant will actually help to unlock the bottleneck and really help your team scale as fast as your business is. So I would love to show you how to offload all of these. So book a bottleneck audit if you want, and we'll be able to get in touch, or keep listening to our podcast and you're going to be able to get some insights there. Thank you. See you in the next episode. Thank you so much for listening to this amazing podcast. Now, if you enjoyed this, you're definitely going to love my Facebook group where I've got over 11,000 people in it, and they're all business owners successful like you. It's called the Successful Entrepreneur Lounge, and in there I do classes every week, and I get to interview my clients, and I get to teach you all the things that I've done to get my business to 100K plus a month. So I look forward to have you in there. It's called the Successful Entrepreneur Lounge Facebook group in Facebook. I look forward to see you there. Ciao.